food. You know that thing you eat? Yeah, that one. Well, today I'm going to make for you some really nice, simple tasting food. This one's using chicken and oyster sauce. It's got hardly any ingredients, but I tell you what, the taste is amazing. And for the amount of ingredients and time it takes to cook, I think you'll think so too. Anyway, let me show you what I'm using in this recipe. So literally all it is some chili, some green onions, spring onion, shallot things, some minced garlic, chicken, oyster sauce, some pre-cooked rice. This is cold. It's been in the fridge. And also I'll be using some butter. Oh, you know how much I love this stuff. Oh yeah, it's so tasty and it lubricates your heart valves. It's great on your bike chain too. But anyway, listen, how about I start throwing this together? It's really fast. So let me turn on my stove to about 3/4 of the way. Alright, for starters, I want to melt some butter into my frying pan. So I'm going to try and use quite a lot of that. You're probably thinking, wow Greg, that's way too much. And you'd be right. But like I said, lubricates all those parts of your body that are starting to seize, makes all those soft things hard again. It's one of the magical wonders of the world, butter. And next I'm going to add in the onions, and I'll throw in the chili as well. That has got such an amazing smell already. So now the minced garlic, I want to throw in about that much, which is probably a tablespoon's worth. I'll put a little bit more because garlic, like butter, is so good for you. And we'll just fry that for a little bit. Actually, I almost forgot about the chicken. Better throw that in too. And we'll just cook that chicken until it's cooked. Next, it's time to grab your oyster sauce. And I just want to throw in like a couple of nice big dollops. One. Oh! No, it's gone all over my shorts. And we want to sort of fry that off. Oh, it's going all over my shorts. Look at the stains on my shorts. That is from the butter. So after about a minute of that frying off, I'm going to add the rice. Now this is about a cup's worth. Just add as much as you want. Depends how many people you're feeding. This is sort of a meal for one, unfortunately. I wish it could be for two, maybe even three if I was lucky. But we just mix this together. Warm that rice up. Make sure each grain of rice is covered in that delicious butter and oyster sauce mix. And there you have it, it's finished already. I told you it was so simple. So now, we need to plate this up, right? So now we just put it into our bowl. Now it doesn't look like much, does it? So you probably want to finish it off by adding some green stuff on top. Well, there you go. Like I said, it's not much to look at, unlike myself. But it's not all about how it looks, it's all about how it tastes. And, well, let's give it a go. I love it. So buttery. It's sort of got this sweetness that the oyster sauce gives off, and with the garlic and everything, oh my god. It's really one you should try, because I know it's one of my favourites. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Remember to show this video some big thumbs ups, and I'll see you next time when Greg eats. Bye.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made some really nice rice with some oyster sauce and spice. Lots of butter there too to lubricate those bones. It's delicious. Ooh yes.